Today I am going to share how to make my morning smoothie. This is my morning routine these days and the name is ABC Smoothie, which is super easy to make and great for your health and your beautiful skin. And I bet it will be definitely helpful for losing your pandemic weight. Okay, are you ready? Then let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need: an apple, beets, carrot. Right, this is why the name of this smoothie is ABC Smoothie. The first thing you need to do is thoroughly cleaning the ingredients under the running water. I only washed my apple because I used the pre-washed carrots and pre-cooked beets. The next step is chopping the fruits and veggies. You cut off the unnecessary part and then cut them into nice small pieces. You can use beets both raw or cooked, but I prefer to eat them cooked, so I used cooked ones. And when you work with beets, raw or cooked, you should be careful because red beets stain. They stain your fingers or clothes and your lovely wooden cutting boards, so please be aware of it. When you're done chopping, put the pieces into the blender. And then add 1.5 cup of water. Then blend it. About 30 seconds. Actually, my Vitamix is enough for 30 seconds, but you can do it longer when you need. And that's it. I think this is nicely done and the color is beautiful. Tastes like really good. Thanks for watching.